It's ready, bro. Come on. I was just playing around right here, okay? Y'all ready? You straight? Alright.
If you want the best D you ever had, he better than Mandingo. He lives in Forsyth. He lives in Forsyth, Georgia. He lives in Forsyth, Georgia, 31029. I'm trying to tell you, he will fuck up your whole goddamn system. I'm talking about he make you speak Spanish in this motherfucker. I'm talking about he will do things that you never had with the regular D. Cause this D right here ain't shit about the regular D. He is the supreme D. I'm talking about the king D. I'm talking about everything D. I'm preaching right here, dog. Y'all don't hear me. I'm talking about if you want to know him, Facebook him. If you want to see him, Skype him. If you just want to see his picture, Instagram him. I'm talking about everything. Kick him if you don't got shit to do. His Facebook name is Sanchez Cortez Ursery. His Instagram name is Quartet 478. His Skype name is Little Magic.